Hey friends! Ready to fly? 30 birds and their names in English await you. Let's get started. Peacock. This bird's name is Peacock. Flamingo. This bird's name is Flamingo. Toucan. This bird's name is Toucan. Hummingbird. This bird's name is Hummingbird. Lovebird. This bird's name is Lovebird. Macaw. This bird's name is Macaw. Arctic tern. This bird's name is Arctic tern. Penguin. This bird's name is Penguin. Parrot. This bird's name is Parrot. Golden Kana. This bird's name is Golden Kana. Rainbow lorikeet. This bird's name is Rainbow lorikeet. Mandarin duck. This bird's name is Mandarin duck. Snowy owl. This bird's name is Snowy owl. Heron. This bird's name is Heron. Blue jay. This bird's name is Blue jay. Cardinal. This bird's name is Cardinal. Grebe. This bird's name is Grebe. Seagull. This bird's name is Seagull. Hornbill. This bird's name is Hornbill. Bee hummingbird. This bird's name is Bee hummingbird. Cockatoo. This bird's name is Cockatoo. Quetzal. This bird's name is Quetzal. Sandpiper. This bird's name is Sandpiper. Baltimore oriole. This bird's name is Baltimore oriole. Rosy finch. This bird's name is Rosy finch. Scarlet ibis. This bird's name is Scarlet ibis. Great Indian hornbill. This bird's name is Great Indian hornbill. Eurasian blue tit. This bird's name is Eurasian blue tit. Java sparrow. This bird's name is Java sparrow. Victoria crown. Pigeon. This bird's name is Victoria crown. Pigeon.